Step into the future of home cooking with the Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1, a revolutionary appliance that promises to transform your kitchen routine. Imagine a single device that pressure cooks, slow cooks, air fries, dehydrates, and more, all with the ease of a one-touch program. Gone are the days of cluttering your countertop with multiple gadgets. Whether you're whipping up a quick dinner for the family or experimenting with gourmet recipes, this smart multi-cooker does it all at a fraction of the time and oil. With its sleek stainless steel design, 6-quart capacity, and 15 built-in smart programs, every meal becomes an adventure in flavor and efficiency. Ready to embrace a new era of culinary creativity and convenience? Let's discover how the Instant Pot Duo Crisp is your ultimate kitchen game changer. Design and build quality. The Instant Pot Duo Crisp sports a sturdy stainless steel exterior with a chrome finish that's fingerprint resistant, great for keeping things clean and polished looking on your kitchen counter. Weighing in at about 19.6 pounds and standing 13.97 inches tall, this isn't the smallest appliance, but it packs a punch with its functionality. Its 6-liter, 6-quart capacity is ideal for cooking for up to 6 people, making it perfect for families, couples, or individuals who like to meal prep. The inner pot is made from food-grade stainless steel with a tri-ply bottom, ensuring even heat distribution and better sauté performance. 11-in-1 cooking versatility. At the core of the appeal of the Duo Crisp is its 11-in-1 functionality. It's not just a pressure cooker or an air fryer, it's a full-featured multi-cooker that can air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, pressure cook, slow cook, steam, sauté, warm food, make rice and yogurt, and sterilize. Yes, you read that right. This machine even makes yogurt and sterilizes baby bottles or canning jars. For people who have limited space or are tired of juggling multiple appliances, this single unit can effectively replace your air fryer, rice cooker, slow cooker, yogurt maker, and even your oven in some cases. Air fryer technology, crisp without the guilt. What sets this model apart from other Instant Pots is the included air fryer lid, which brings even crisp technology into play. This technology delivers the deep-fried crunch you love, but with 95% less oil. Whether you're cooking French fries, chicken wings, or roasted vegetables, the air fryer lid creates evenly cooked, crispy textures without the excess grease. This means healthier meals without sacrificing flavor or crunch. The multi-level air fryer basket, along with the dehydrating and broiling tray, is thoughtfully designed to allow maximum airflow, which is critical to proper air frying and dehydration. One-touch smart programs. The Instant Pot Duo Crisp comes with 11 customizable smart programs that take the guesswork out of cooking. With just a press of a button, you can make ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, desserts, and more. Whether you're a beginner cook or an experienced home chef, these preset modes let you cook confidently and consistently, minimizing trial and error. Speed and efficiency. Thanks to its pressure cooking capabilities, this Instant Pot can cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional methods. This means tender beef stew in under an hour, or perfectly cooked rice in a fraction of the usual time. But it doesn't stop at speed. The Duo Crisp also functions as a slow cooker, allowing you to cook low and slow for those hearty, nostalgic recipes passed down from Grandma. You get the best of both worlds, speed when you're in a rush and low-simmered flavor when you have time to spare. App connectivity and recipes. One of the major perks of owning an Instant Pot is access to the free Instant Brands Connect app available for iOS and Android. The app offers over 1,900 recipes, including step-by-step guides and inspiration for beginners and seasoned users alike. This connectivity makes it easier than ever to expand your culinary repertoire and confidently explore new recipes. Easy to clean. Ease of cleanup is a major concern for multifunction appliances, and the Duo Crisp handles this well. The inner pot, air fryer lid, and accessories are all dishwasher safe, and the exterior stainless steel body is fingerprint resistant, meaning less wiping and polishing. Even with two lids, one for pressure cooking and one for air frying, storage is simplified thanks to the included protective pad, which can be used under the hot air fryer lid on your countertop or to store it when not in use. Safety first. Instant Pot is known for its focus on safety, and the Duo Crisp continues that tradition. It comes equipped with 10+ built-in safety features, including overheat protection, safe locking lid, pressure release system, automatic temperature control. These features help you cook with confidence, even when using high pressure or high heat modes. Who is it for? The Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1 is ideal for busy parents or professionals who need to cook fast, healthy meals, home chefs who want versatility without cluttering their kitchen, health-conscious eaters looking to cut down on oil without losing texture, meal preppers and batch cookers, small to medium-sized families up to 6 people. If you live in a small apartment or just prefer fewer appliances, this unit is a space saver's dream. Pros: combines air fryer and pressure cooker in one device. 11-in-1 functions cover most cooking needs. Even Crisp technology gives excellent frying results with less oil. Stainless steel dishwasher-safe parts. Programmable smart programs simplify cooking. Access to over 1,900 recipes via app. Excellent build quality and safety features. Cons: slightly bulky, takes up counter space. Switching lids may take getting used to. No built-in Wi-Fi Bluetooth smart features. Final verdict. The Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1 is a game changer for anyone who values efficiency, versatility, and healthier cooking. By combining multiple appliances into a single unit with both pressure cooking and air frying functionality, it significantly simplifies your kitchen routine. Although it's not the smallest appliance out there, the value it brings through its multifunctionality, smart presets, and ease of cleanup is more than worth its counter space. Whether you're cooking a weeknight dinner, hosting a gathering, or prepping meals for the week ahead, the Duo Crisp is more than up to the task. Highly recommended for busy kitchens and anyone looking to upgrade their cooking experience in a single purchase.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.